I'm Andrew Armstrong from the Brisbane Guitar Making School, and I'm feeling pretty excited. I've just received some beautiful wood from David Linton up in Mullaney at Australian Guitar Timbers. We've got a special project that we're kicking off to make a couple of guitars for drought relief here in Queensland, which is devastating the country. And we're going to make a couple of guitars, and David has really graciously volunteered to provide us with some sensational Queensland timbers to make the guitar from. We haven't got all of it yet, but today we received soundboards and back and sides, and I'm going to show them to you because they look spectacular. So here it is. This is the soundboard. This is silver quandong. David selected some beautiful fine-grained and very evenly coloured silver quandong. We've made quite a few guitars with this as soundboards, and every one of them sounds sensational, so I'm really looking forward to that. Over here we've got the back. This is river oak. This is a new timber. We haven't used it before, but the grain in this is sensational. And matching sides. Everything's book matched, quarter sawn. Love the colours in this. Browns, purples, and some really interesting sapwood with some spalting in there. I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm really excited about it. Here's a shot of the river oak backwood. Put a little bit of water on there so you can see what the colours are really going to be like when we get this guitar made. Fabulous grain pattern in there. Love the spalting in the sapwood here. It's fantastic.